In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix lag and stuttering in Arc Raiders if you're using it on your PC, PS5 or your Xbox. So the first thing we need to do right here is to just go into settings on our Arc Raiders, and then you're just going to go into graphics. So as I am using a PS5, so if you use a PS5 or Xbox, you probably will not be able to see that much here on graphics. But if you're using a PC, this is very important for you in this one, because in here you're actually able to, most likely you will be able to see that you can change your graphic settings and make sure that all of them is set to low, unfortunately, because if you're experiencing a lot of lag and stuttering on your PC, you need to set a lot of those settings to low, just so you know. And for us that are using either a PS5 or Xbox, just turn the motion blur off right here. This can sometimes help, just so you know. And another thing that we can do for us that are using a console is to just go back into home right here and then go into settings, go into network settings, and then on settings, click on set up internet connection, and then click on advanced settings right here. Make sure that your DNS settings is set to manual and primary DNS 1.1.1.1, secondary DNS 1.0.0.1 right here, and then click on OK. So try this and hopefully this is going to be able to fix it for you as well.